Riga, Latvia. When it comes to Art Nouveau, Riga is a city that deserves all the attention it gets, and then some. Latvia's capital is home to one of the largest collections of Art Nouveau architecture in the world, and it's honestly a paradise for architecture lovers. As soon as you step into the heart of Riga, you're met with a stunning array of intricate facades and decorative details that make the city feel like a living canvas. The buildings here are like nothing you've seen before, each one more unique than the last. From the elegant swirls and organic shapes to the delicate floral motifs and bold geometric designs, Riga's Art Nouveau district is nothing short of mesmerizing. But it's not all about the exteriors. Step inside some of these buildings and you'll find even more stunning interiors with ornate ceilings, marble floors, and grand staircases that transport you to another time. The real magic of Riga, though, is that it feels like you've discovered a hidden treasure. It's not overrun by tourists, so you can enjoy the architecture without the crowds. If you're looking to immerse yourself in a city that's rich in artistic history and architectural beauty, Riga is an absolute must-see. Have you ever visited a city with such a unique architectural style? Drop your thoughts below, I'd love to hear from you.